shut it off a little bit, but...
Isn't that amazing?
Yes.
New starter motors, new power wires. We had to go through all your carburetors and get all the little pieces we could. New spark plugs and new plug wires, and we did get this fixed, and we did put water in it, but the motor didn't like the water because the head gasket is leaking. As you can see, it kind of is leaking around because it's been sitting for... How long's it been since it ran?
1957 or something like that.
57?
I drove it from Springerville down here by myself when I was 16 years old.
He was 16, and okay, so that was 1947.
I can't believe it.
Do it.
Grandpa, let's put him in
Your one wish was to drive the car. They fixed up the car. We're all here. I say you get in the car, and if it burns, it's lived a good life.
It's lived a good life. That's Jen.
There you are. All right. Okay, let's get on over here. Right there. Clutch all the way in. There you go. That's what it's all about right there. Yep. How much did you pay for this when you bought it?
$135.
$135.
How fast did this thing go when you were on the highway?
It'd go 55.
It'd do 55 no problem, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
This is the Fat Bender Garage.
Seen that car coming around that corner, you're like, what is going on? How'd that thing get going? Could you hear it when we were starting it over there?
I heard it, but I didn't believe it.